Don't worry, I have a scab right there. I did it. Well, anyways, hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Super Max Your God. Welcome back. And today we're gonna be melting, and let me tell you the ingredients. So we're gonna be melting the chocolate. You could use black or white, or you can use it together. And we're gonna be melting them and like putting the molds in this. In the Poppit, but first we're going to put the M&Ms inside of there, and we're going to be melting the chocolate with a pan. So that's basically all you need, and I got some extra Poppits too. So let's start, shall we? Got the cakes like this, which really hurts. So I'm going to put white chocolate in the man's visor, and I'm going to put dark chocolate around him. Okay, let's start putting the M&Ms in. I'll be back. And also the cameraman's recording me, so let's do this. So we ran out of M&Ms because the M&Ms does fit these three Poppits, but we need to use marshmallows for this one. And now you need the water. Now time to put both of the chocolate bars in here. Okay. Ooh. Camera girl / mom, do you think this is going to be delish?
Oh yeah.
Time for the second one. Oh, okay. How did you hear that pop? It was like a little squid.
I think I'm going to have lots of chocolate left over. What do you think?
Yeah, I think so. Everybody's perfectly good chocolate. Done with that, and I'll come and put it over while it melts. Is the oven on?
Do you want to put the stove on?
How do you do it again? Do you like put this onto 36 or something? Push this. Okay, and now do not try this at home. Kids, do not turn on ovens. Ask your mum or any parent. Wait. Now is it on? Oh my god. Miss.
Yeah, wrong one, that one is mine.
What? Is it that one?
You turn the back one on. We need the front one on.
This. This.
No.
This.
No.
This.
No.
This.
Yes.
Okay. You told me that one before. Oh. Look at the flame.
Cook it on gas.
And we've got a little one of these, and cameraman's going to shine it over while it melts. Stir it. Oh, that's hot.
A few moments later.
Stir, stir, stir until it goes melt. Stir, stir. Stir until it goes melt. Stir until it goes melt. Stir until it goes melt. Stir. I think 2 chocolate bars did not do the trick.
But I did the milk chocolate as well. After this one.
Just mushing it all up.
So now all the chocolate is melted and should have no lumps. Ours is slightly lumpy, but that's because it's got
Cookie crumbs in it.
cookie crumbles in it. And I think we're ready to go next.
Okay. Stop the video. And now it's time to put the white chocolate into the molds. Watch this. Ooh. Jump to the Among Us visor. Oh no. Should I just leave it like that and stir it up?
Yeah, use the back of the spoon to flatten it over. Oh,
Yes, perfect. And now, white chocolate. Half of this side white. Oh, looks like this one needs
cookie.
probably Cookie Monster, Mum. Cookie Monsters are 2 little bit cookies. Because we're going to do the other side, dark chocolate. And then the dark is just all. Jolene, 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 Jolene. Jolene, please spare you for Jolene. What are you saying, you stupid beast? It's not actually a real thing, it's just a sluice. The blast of the flower from the blast. My mum has to do this one. I'll take over recording. Mum, you probably have to finish the duck one off too, so. Remember the next row? After, when you took one off a row, it'll be fine. Put me the dairy milk.
Are you still recording anything?
What?
Are you still recording?
Yes. The milk chocolate. 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 SpongeBob me be like chocolate, chocolate, chocolate.
A few moments later.
The camera girl's gotta do it. Dun, 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 and it tastes so nice. Oh my
Oh,
god!
I'm going to tap on.
I know I left it on so I can wash while I'm recording. Oh, yum. This looks good. And we're dumb idiots. And we're both dumb idiots, so we're gonna put it in the fridge. In the fridge, not the freezer. Yeah. Yeah, I thought this was gonna take forever for the Among Us one. Uh-oh, stinky. My mum. And now let's pop him in the fridge.
Pop it in the fridge.
I did say that. And we will be back in this video when they and your boy camera girl / mum is gonna open let's say the Among Us.
Oh, should we practice that one first?
Yes.
Right.
Yes, duck. Oh my god. I hope it stays. Oh. Speezy on it. Let's speezy on it.
Moment of truth. Dun, dun, dun. Ducky has worked.
Guys, I'm gonna have a bite of this.
Is it good?
Back on. I'll give that a 10 out of 10. You?
Definitely 10 out of 10.
Let's try and do one of the Among Us one now. You can have the rest of that tomorrow.
That's tasty, man.
I'll be back on the next one. Among Us. Not the part one, that's for.
Check out that bad boy.
I'm gonna try the broken earth. Nice. You definitely try this.
Yeah, man, love it. Very good.
If we can't finish all these, shall we put it in a bowl and leave it in the fridge? Something. But first, shall we take them all out and then put them in?
Yeah.
So guys, let's do the tag on this one. And then we're going to leave the other one. I know we did another one, but we're not doing that because that's for
Our special guests. Yeah.
a special guest which live here.
So this is a love part one.
A small plate will probably work.
So we have to be extra oh, this one's going to come off good, I just know it.
I'd say this worked a 10 out of 10, legit. Crack this out in. I'm going to put these in the fridge.
Oh, damn it, I've broken it.
No! Look how cool this is too. That's a white. You can always get chocolate sauce. Chocolate for
So
sauce.
right there, the reveal. Dun, 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 dun.
That's how it looked and show them without it. Show them
I love it.
Show it how it broke.
Yeah, but it snapped, so we need to like, we could just lick that back together and stick it back, because it ain't for us, it's for part of it down in.
Okay, let me put these in the fridge because it's melting.
And do you want to do this one, Max? Because we're going to need to flip the marshmallows out.
Go.
Come on, snap this last one.
I'm gonna do the last one, guys, because I haven't did a single one. But first, look at this pop, the marshmallows. I do not know how.
Just kind of peel it back.
Oh, you got it. Oh, it snapped, but look. It works on Poppit still, not only Fidget, it's Poppit. Bye. Guys, that was a 10 out of 10. You should try that at home. But tell you more than that to melt the chocolate. And if you can't, you can always do it another day, can you? I'm just going to